Right after the installation of Docker Desktop, when you try to open it, this window pops up where it says WSL2 installation is incomplete. So in order to resolve this issue, you need to visit this link over here. Just click on it, and it'll open this tab in your default browser. Here, click on this link where it says WSL2 Linux kernel update package, and it'll download a file, as you can see over here. Now open the file that you've just downloaded and install it. After installing that file, get back to the pop-up window and restart it. Wait for a couple of minutes while it's starting. And as you can see, it started. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe my channel for such awesome content. I'll see you in the another video. Until then, stay tuned.